Tēnā rā koutou katoa, ko whakiri ana tēnei, ko... Kia ora. It is 9:59. Ko tahi te minute ki te koukaraka. Something really awesome has just happened at the iwi. As you may know, we've launched some Taonga Whakaraakai made by me and my tamahine right here. Her and I made some Taonga Whakaraakai. If you're wondering, what's Taonga Whakaraakai? Well, Taonga Whakaraakai is jewellery. So me and my daughter have just finished launching it. And I just had to show you something. I don't know if you can see that. Can I flip the camera around? Oh, I can lift myself. Okay. Pehea ka huri. Huri to camera. Got moa.
You can't.
No, I can't. Okay. All right then. Well, anyway.
We just opened up our shop.
Ko tūwhera I aku rangatira. So if you would like to place an order to get some of our Taonga Whakaraakai and just support the kaupapa, and yeah, well no you can over at our Shopify.
How much is it?
And go check us out. Tiruhia ki tō mātou whārangi matua, ko Akona te reo. And so if miharo is amazing and koutou is you fellas, what is he miharo koutou? All right, ka te ake au I konei matua noho ora mai pomari e. Haere ki te mātaki, haere ki te turuhia. Matua, I'll see you fellas tomorrow. Thanks for the hearts. Ngā manoa. Nei rā te mehe, pomari. Oh, maybe I should hang around. Kei te aha, what are we up to? Where you fellas from? So yeah, I've just opened it up. Just opened up our shop. How fucking cool is that? Haere ki te takotu nana pepe, pomari. So it looks like no mai, tauti mai, all Taonga Whaka. Oh, look at that! Every single kaka you've ever seen me wear is all up on there right now. Right, kids ones. Got the high-vis for the cussies. Got the high-vis for the cussies. Oh, hi mokoko. Got the high-vis for the cussies. There we go. If I click on that, what does that do? It was 45, now it's 35. You can get that in an adult. Oh yeah, it's just the adult. And it's in Te Reo Māori, so you can learn a little Te Reo Māori while you're there. So adult small is iti, wanganui and nui and nunui. You get a black print on the green or on the yellow. This is like you could do with Google Pay. Oh, then it's got a little blurb.
Nice.
This is fucking amazing. I'm just blown away. I just can't believe it. I don't know how long I've been passionate as about fashion designing. I've just loved everything Māori, and what do you know? I teach Te Reo Māori and now I've got my own fashion line.
Can I say something?
Huh?
Can I say something?
How's it here?
And she made it out of this one little cricket right here.
Yes, so my daughter's just reminded me to let you fellas know that I have handmade all of these kakahu. Everything is original. Everything is by my concept, all made on a cricket. And a press. A printer. And a computer.
And a PC.
And a whole lot of genius thinking. Now, anyway. Ka nui tērā. Oh my God, I can't believe it. So come and check us out. I'll chuck the link down in the down in here somewhere. I don't know where it goes. But I'll chuck it down in here. And yeah. Me haro. miharo. Don't forget, I teach te reo Māori. Naku, whakake te moana nei.
And air rates at 15,000.
Yeah. I teach te reo Māori on this space here at 8 o'clock on Wednesdays. I do kapahako on Tuesdays, Kanapi Thursdays, Friday, Saturday, Sundays, or Matatini. But we do te reo Māori every Wednesday. And I drop a little if da-da-da is something, can da-da-da is something, what is da-da-da. I do a whole lot of that every day, most days, as you fellas already know. You amazing 1,100 and something, I was like 1,000 something. Anyway, if you've got a very special person in your lifetime, come on, you come and learn te reo Māori with me, okay? We need 10,000 followers learning te reo Māori by Christmas. We got this, we got this. I'm still waiting to give away these 2 Taonga, by the way. I've got 2 Taonga to give away strictly for my TikTok whānau. So do something, show me something, you might just get it, right? Okay then, I wish I knew how to do that thing where you can get dolls and stuff, gifts and stuff. I don't know how to do that. So if you want to teach whaakiriana a little something about how to do all of that, that'll be very, very cool. Anyway, me haere au. Ka patoka te pō, mā te wā. Such a second time. Oh, te wira. Awesome. I love you. Yes, I'm glad. I'm glad you're here.
Stay and watch some.
Ka pai. Thank you, Henry from Aotearoa. Yep, keep going, whānau. We're going to make the 10K. I can feel it. I'm glad you're here.
Stay and watch some.
Ka pai. Thank you, Henry from Aotearoa. Yep, keep going, whānau. We're going to make the 10K. I can feel it.